after a long time I'm going to make one video. There are so many web series which are hit, such as Mirzapur, Afaran and so much. But this web series contain a short-tempered performance and action just only. Many successful web series. There is one web series that was entering and present by the Sony Live. Talking about the Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story. Which is much better. As I mentioned before, in this web series, no action, no drama. It contains a logical future prediction and so on. You will love this web series. And web series BGM, wow, much better. Sony Live present this story with some special effect, red dialogue ever, such kind of editing I didn't see anywhere. If you are thinking to watch this web series, then you are going to make a perfect choice. Saying perfect choice because this web series you will definitely love this. All things are so wonderful in this video. I'm going to tell a first video review in that Harshad was belong to Gujarat and the cloth business was a father Shantilal Mehta, but that was a totally crash. Harshad have one brother Ashwin. Harshad was doing a diamond seller as a work, but he didn't satisfy with that work. He get idea to enter in the stock market from his neighbor, and he meet his brother's friend. Then he enter in a stock market. That was his first turning point. On the first day he nearly sells 23,000 stocks, and he get experience how to sell the stock. And within 1 year he become one of the best stock market person, and he give advice to other one. He try to interact with the Pranav Bhai, and Pranav Bhai agreed to do the work with him, and Harshad have some different method, and on the basis of that method he gave much and more profit for Pranav and himself. But at the last moment the stock market has been crashed by the 8 to 10% due to the KDA. KDA is a money market person. I will introduce in the next part. Harshad lost 10 lakh rupees and his trading account was banned due to this fraud. Not fraud, we can say crash, due to the crash of the market. And this all about the first episode. Thanks for watching.